Do you know Himalaya would be melted if Aravalis didn't exist? Aravalli Hills are among the oldest mountain range in the world, older than Himalayas, about 2 billion years old. Stretching 700 km across Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana, and Delhi, the Aravalli act as India's natural wall. About 800 bird species are there and beautiful home for terrestrial animals. But today, more than 25% of Aravalli range are destroyed. Due to illegal mining, deforestation and urban expansion, result rising temperature, falling water level, deadly air pollution. If the Aravalli vanishes, desertification will spread cities like Delhi, Gurgaon, Jaipur will suffocate it. Layer of sand cover Himalayas which increase temperature of Himalayas and get melted. So saving the Aravalli Hill isn't an option, it's India's need. Hare Krishna.